light on.
What's going on?
Garrison, turn the light on.
What is going
Garrison,
on?
turn the light
What?
on.
What? Garrison, are you kidding? Stop.
No, I'm not.
Why?
No, the
Who's
light-
in here? I don't even know who you guys are.
Garrison, turn the light on.
I can't even do it. I can't do it.
What can't you do?
I can't handle it. You guys are too much.
What can't you handle? Zane, what?
I just want to go to bed, but it's so bright. And there's so many people.
Zane, what can't you handle?
If somebody hits me, I don't know what that is. Ugh.
Do you remember my name?
Yes.
Garrison?
It's Garrison.
There you go.
It's Griffin.
No,
It's
Griffin was on the first floor
It's
in the apartment.
No, Griffin's a cat. Oh my goodness. Can I please go to bed?
No.
Can I please? I
Zane.
have mathematics in the morning.
Zane.
Zane, would you be mad if I ate your wheat thins?
No, I don't like them.
Zane.
I just
Zane,
regular weekend
are you having a good day?
No, I'm sick. I'm ill. And everybody's in here. Garrison's eating my wheat thins.
You said you didn't want them.
Yeah, you can have them actually. I don't mind.
Zane,
Are you
Yes.
comfy?
do you want to say anything to Marcia?
Marsha's not even here. I don't know why.
Yes, she is. She's on the other side of the video.
No.
Yes, she is.
You want me to make you into a cocoon again, Zane?
All I want to do is somebody to call me so I can hear friggin' Mr. Saxobeat go off. That'd be thrilling. It's thrilling at this point.
What's Mr. Saxby, Zane?
Are you serious? You've heard it.
No, I haven't.
You don't know it? Somebody call me, please. Listen, Rachel. Listen. Just listen. It's so good. It's so good.
What is this?
It's Mr. Saxobeat. You're not even listening.
Don't throw your phone. It's gonna break. It's like glass.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. Guys.
Yeah. Do you have any stories you want to tell us?
No.
No?
I want to sleep.
You want to sleep?
I want to go to bed.
Zane, do you love me?
So much. I don't even know.
That doesn't sound sincere.
Pineapples?
I don't even know.
Pineapple?
Hey, Zane.
Yeah.
Who's talking to you?
What? Is that my juice box? Are you serious right now?
No. It's mine.
Zachariah
It's mine.
Tate.
It's not. Don't call me that. You're not allowed to call me that.
You just drank my juice box, and
No,
I
I didn't.
specifically...
I brought it from my room.
This is what I was doing. I was planning ahead. I was like, okay, I want to have math in the morning. I want to put a juice box in the fridge so I can drink it for breakfast.
Your juice boxes are in the fridge. I did not touch it.
You guys...
How?
That's not even a real question. What is that?
It's Ian. It's Ian. Ian's doing it.
Okay. I need to go to bed.
Okay. Good night.
Oh my gosh, if one more thing touches me, I can't do it.
What
I
can't
can't
you
even
do?
do it.
Zane.
I can't do it. Oh my god.
Zane.
That's gross. That's where my face goes. And your foot is there. Stop it.
Zane, you want some sprinkles? Zane.
Everything that's going on, I don't know how to do it. I
What?
don't appreciate it at all. Your foot! It's in my face. That's not
Want some
even healthy.
sprinkles?
That's not healthy.
Want some
Your
sprinkles?
feet are the farthest distance from your face on your body for a reason. So they don't touch.